Hello, welcome back everyone. Today we'll start with part number 4, that is screw spindle, which is shown here in the drawing. Let us start with by drawing a circle of 32 mm dia. Go to Solidedge, click on sketch, select the front plane. Click on circle and draw a circle of 32 mm dia. Click on return and give the protrusion of 12 mm length. Click on the circle, OK, and now enter 12 mm. Next we have to give the next step of a cylinder. So click on this, go to sketch and select this surface, and here draw a circle of 20 mm dia. Now click on return, go to protrusion, select that circle, OK, and now enter the value as 18 mm. Now again go to sketch, select this surface, and here draw a circle of 16 mm diameter. Enter 16 mm. Click on return and protrude this to a length of 28 mm. Click on the circle, OK. Enter the value as 28 mm. Now again go to sketch, select this surface, and here draw a circle of 12 mm because it is given there as M12. So draw a circle of 12 mm. Click on return, go to protrusion, select the circle, click on OK, enter the value as 16 mm. So we are done with the half side. So now click on this surface, now draw a circle of 20 mm to make the screw. So draw a circle of 20 mm. Enter 20. Now click on return. Go to protrusion, select the profile, OK, and now enter the value as, we have to enter the value here as 300 minus all the other protrusion values, that is 300 minus 12 minus 18 minus 28 and minus 16. So type 300, then click minus, then type all the other values. Then click on just click the mouse. So we have the screw done. So we are done. So now let us create a threads on that. So go to thread, OK, select this cylinder, now select this edge, here to cylinder extend, then click on finish. So let us now make the M12 threads. So click on this cylinder, and click on the inner edge, because in the drawing we can see that there is a offset but the value is not given. So let us take the offset as 4 mm. Type 4, and here type of the thread should be M12. So select M12, then click on finish. OK, we are done. Now we can see that there is a key seat that is of width 4.5 and depth 2.25. So select this surface for sketching, and here draw a rectangle. Go to line and draw a rectangle. Now go to symmetry. Select the central axis and then select the two edges. Now we will have it in symmetry. Go to smart dimension. Type this value as 4.5 and type the above value as 2.25. So here also the key should be inside the circle. So I have done a small mistake here. So you people correct it while you are doing. So then now click on return. Now select cutout. OK. Now enter the value as 28 mm. Done. So click on finish. Let us check the material further. Go to material table and the material for the screw spindle is given as FE410W. So type FE410W and then click on apply to model. Go to file, file properties, go to summary, type screw spindle. Next go to project, document number 4, project name screw spindle, then click on OK, then save the file. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.